Have you forgotten your Wise password? Don't worry, resetting it is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Wise app or website. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Click the link and enter the email address associated with your account. Make sure it's correct. Check your email for a password reset link. It should arrive within a few minutes. Click the link in the email to create a new password. Make it strong and memorable. Finally, log in with your new password. You're all set. Enjoy using Wise securely. Remember, keeping your password secure is vital. Avoid using easily guessed phrases. Consider using a password manager for added safety. It helps keep your passwords organized. And if you need help, don't hesitate to reach out to Wise support. They're ready to assist you. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and enjoy your Wise experience. Subscribe for more tips and guides to enhance your financial management. See you next time for more insightful tips.